Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to attach these motifs using a different technique than I usually used. And here I have joined. I went this way and then I came this way. So there are several different techniques on how to join motifs, and this is one of them. And I thought I should share it with you before I forget, because I haven't done this for many years. But you know, you do when you sit down, you figure it out. So let's get started on how to attach these motifs, these two different pieces that you can attach, and this is one of them. I haven't done the board yet, but I will do the board, and I do have how to do board edging, board edging, and several. I have a playlist, so you can go and check it out. I'm going to just use one of the techniques that I have used. This turned out pretty good. I really like it. I started this, I don't know, 2021, I believe. Finally, I only had 3 pieces missing. I've done them and I forgot how to crochet because it's been several years. So I finished that, and I am going to finish it, and I will show you the finished look of it on my podcast, which is on the 27th of each month. Yeah, so let's get started on how to attach. How to attach, here's another one. How to attach the motifs. Okay, so we're going to start from the beginning of the blanket or cardigan, whichever you're working on. So I used these markers just to, you know, help me out here. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm starting at the beginning, I need to secure this yarn. So I will come right here. I'll grab the 2 because it's the beginning. And then I am going to secure it just like this. Then pull this. And then after that, I'm done with the marker because I'm going to be attaching the other motif. Yeah, this is one of the techniques can be used to attach motifs. Okay. So I am looking. So what I'm going to do is, I started from here, so I'm going to grab the other motif across me, and there's the chain. You can see the V here, right? So I'm going to pick the one towards me. Okay, and then leave the one outside, and then pull. Because I started, can you see there's going to be like a chain, and I don't want that chain. So in normal, that's how we start, but I'm not going to do it that way. So what I will do is I will come here, not the 2 strands right here, right? So the one not towards me, but the facing the other, first facing the other side. So I'm going to grab that one, and then I'm going to grab the one facing towards me, and then attach it and then pull it at once. So this way I don't give that chain, that long chain look. Okay, so from now on, we're going to start attaching. Okay, so again, I'm going to be using these right here, the one facing me, and the one on the top. See, this is the V again. So the one on the top. So these 2, I'm going to create a V. Okay, and then pull it at once. So I'm doing, actually I'm doing slip stitches. Okay, so one at a time to give that nice look. Just like this, slip stitch. So I am picking these 2 strands and I am attaching just like this. And it gives that nice look. You can sew it, you can glue it, I don't know. You can do it so many different ways, but I think there are different techniques, like I said at the beginning, how to attach motifs to two pieces to make it one. So this is one of them. I'm sure it's out there. Maybe they do it differently, but this is how I am doing. Okay, one at a time. And this is how it looks like. So you won't see anything separating. And this can be done after you finish your motif, not when you're crocheting it. There are techniques, as I showed in my tutorials, and I do have a playlist, I believe. I will add this to the attachment showing. If I don't, I will create one, because there are several ways to attach motifs. Okay, so I'm going to continue. This is done one at a time. So I will come and show you how to do these 4 motifs. Okay, so this will take me a while. If you want to watch me, you are welcome to watch me. If you don't, just like this. Okay, yeah, I will do this, pause it, and I will come back. Okay, to show you how to do the middle, and then later on I will show you how to do the other side, and we'll go from there. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm almost at the middle here, end of the motif. So before removing these, so here is the chain, and here is the chain. So there's one left. That's okay, nothing to worry about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come and grab it from here. Okay. And then go to the next one. Okay. And then pull. Okay, so for the motifs, what I'm going to do is, here are the 2 motifs that I need to attach as well. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Well, what I can do is come here. Let me just remove this, it's a little bit tight here. Let me just remove the marker and then go from there. Yeah, this a little bit of you need to play around with it. I don't want to do the wrong side. Here we go. Okay, so it has to be nice and straight. So try to tighten this as tight as you can, because we don't want it loose. Well, it's going to be hidden when I'm doing the cross. So here is the chain. And then here, I believe, is the chain. And then I pull these 2 together and I continue making my attachments. Just like this. Let me do a couple more and show you how it looks like. Okay, when you hold it, this is how it will look like. Okay, and then after finishing this, what we're going to do is we're going to do it this way, and this will be secured way better. And then you don't have to worry about, well, it won't come off because we're doing it one at a time. Okay, and this is how it looks like so far. What I'll do is I'll continue finishing all the way to the end, and I will come and show you how it's done this way. And this way, these corners, you will get the idea. These 4 motifs, how we would do it here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just wanted to come back and show you. Going to be doing it this way because I already done it this way by attaching. And again, I come and pick it up one at a time, just like this. Okay, this is the first time I'm doing the blanket. I'm doing it with you. I think I did other, can't remember. You know, you forget things. If I don't tape this, I will forget it, how I did it. So that's the reason I'm taping them, so I can refer to it and come back and check it. You never know. Okay, here we go. Pull it. Okay, so we done the last one. So what you do is, automatically what you do is you come and pick it up from here, but I'm going to do the same way. So I won't, I'll just pick it like this. So this line of, can you see this line will go on top of it because I had to do something, right? And then I come and I continue. Maybe I'll grab one from here. It's a little bit tight, but that's okay. And I do a slip stitch. This one's a little bit tight. And by the way, I'm using a 3mm crochet hook. I'm using a smaller one because I didn't want the attachment to be huge, the stitches. So that's why I'm using a smaller, and I'm already a tight crocheter, tight knitter. So just to point out. So yeah, use your judgment. And ta-da! This is how it looks like. And then you just continue on. You continue on crocheting. Just like this, one at a time. So this is all to it. So I just wanted to show you how you can crochet this technique, this method on attaching 2 different pieces, and 4 actually I showed you, and closing up the 4 motif corner. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crocheting, happy crafting. Bye-bye.